So, good day everyone. I am Jason Siugo, and in this video I will teach you how to create a land use and land cover map using QGIS. So first, go to your Google Chrome and then search for S3 Sentinel-2 Land Cover Explorer. So in my case, I have the Maramag Bukidnon. So as you can see, the Maramag area is located in this part. So what I'm going to do is to click the download geotiff, and then let's see what the boundary of Maramag Bukidnon look like. So this is the boundary of Maramag Bukidnon. So I'm gonna download this one to in this GT file. So as you can see, it is located in this portion of Mindanao. No, so Maramag Bukidnon. So as you can see, this is the area of Maramag Bukidnon, and the thing here is we're going to download its GT file. So I'm gonna right click this grid and download the latest version of it. Since I already have the latest version of it, we can go to our QGIS software. So after opening your QGIS software, go to your new empty project, and then since we already downloaded the file, go to your downloads and then find this one, the TIFF file of your GeoTIFF boundary. So you can drag it all along with here and then paste. So as you can see, this is the bottom portion of Mindanao that we downloaded here earlier. So the next thing to do is go to your web and then quick map services, OSM, and then OSM standard. If you don't have these plugins, you can go to these plugins and then manage and install plugins. And then you can search for quick map services. So as you can see, I already installed it, so I'm gonna close it. So after making your map look like this, go to raster and then projections, warp were projected, and since I don't know what the source of my coordinate reference system, we can double click this TIFF file, and then as you can see, we have the information here. So we can scroll it down, and then as you can see, we have the coordinate reference system. So this is our source. No, we have the WGS 84 UTM zone 51N. So in my case, I'm going to find the this one, the project share S. So WGS 84 UTM zone 51-N. So my target coordinate reference system is of course the since Philippines uses VRS 92 and it is located on zone 5. So I'm gonna click this one and then run. Uh, we can wait it to load since this is very too slow to run. I guess my device is the problem here since I am only using a TUF model laptop. We can wait this to load. So as you can see, we have a new layer. We can close it now, and then since I don't have to use this one, we can delete this and go to remove layer. And then after reprojecting it, we can go to this one, the quick OSM, and then search for boundary administrative, and then Bukidnon, Maramag, and then run query. So as you can see, we have a this added three new layers. Since in my case, I'm going to use this one, and I'm not going to use this point and this polygon. So I'm gonna move it here and then here. So I'm gonna make it the simple line, and I'm gonna make it color black. Okay, and then I'm gonna make the width higher. Apply, and then okay. As you can see, this is our boundary of Maramag Bukidnon, no? So I'm gonna first the next step do is to go to your raster again, and then extraction, clip raster by mask layer, and then click your projected here, and then of course the boundary. As you can see, we have a new layer, and this is clip mask, and we can use this to assign our legend, no? So double click it and then go to symbology, since I don't need this unnecessary color of it, and I think I'm going to use at least 9 colors. So I'm gonna delete this, and then okay. So in my case, no, we can go to this part of our estuary sentinel. As you can see, we have a colors here, and this one represent the water, trees, flooded vegetation, crops, built area, bare ground, snow or ice, clouds, and rangeland. So I'm going to set it here, and this one is our water, trees, and I'm gonna change this color into something green, like this one, and this one is our flooded vegetation, and the crops, and this one is the crops and built area. This one is our built area, and we have a bare ground. So this is our bare ground, and then snow or ice is purely white, standard purely white. This is snow or ice, and then we have clouds, gray color. This is clouds, and the last one we have a rangeland. Rangeland, something like this. This is our rangeland, and after that go to apply and then okay. So we already set it here, so we can remove the reprojected now since we don't need this one. So the next thing to do is I'm gonna adjust the opacity of OSM standard so that my map is visible in the printing layout. So I'm gonna go to transparency and then adjust the global opacity of it. So I'm gonna make it 46, apply, and then okay. So as you can see, our boundary is visible. So we can go to project and then you print layout. Okay. So go to add shape and then add a rectangle and paste it here, and then go to add item, add map, and like this one. So as you can see, this is our boundary, no, the Maramag Bukidnon. So I'm gonna make the scale 200,000, and let's see what it looks like. So this is so very. I think I'm gonna reduce it into 170, 70. No, 200, 250, I guess. So I think this is enough, no? Ano, I'm gonna make it 270. Oh, I think this is enough, no? In my case, so I'm after that I'm going to add a north arrow feed. So add a north arrow, and then I'm gonna place it here, and then I have to choose the design. So this one, I'm gonna pick a color feed, the fill color. I want to make it this. I think I like it to be uh yellow green. This one, and then that's it. I think I like it. So I'm gonna save it and then add the item again and then add the scale bar. So I'm gonna place the scale bar here and then I'm gonna make it a double box. So go to display and then go to your primary fill. I'm gonna change the color into like this one. That's it. And after that, we are going to add our legend, no? So our map legend. So I'm gonna place it here. Then I'm gonna remove the background first. So that one. So after that, go to delete unnecessary part, no? So enable auto update and then remove this one since I'm no longer use this part. So I'm gonna delete it and then go to clip mask and then remove this band palette and then I'm gonna change the clip mask into map legend. So go to your fonts and text formatting. So go to your subgroup headings. So I'm gonna make it Times New Roman, no? And then I'm gonna make it a bold. So I think that's it. And then the alignment is center, no? Right, left only. I'm gonna make this two Times New Roman and then regular only. To want to make it bold and then center. No, left. I think this is enough, no, for me. I like this format. And then we're going to go to add item again and then add a label. So in my case, I'm gonna type the land use and land cover map Maramag Bukidnon. Gonna change the font into Times New Roman and then I make it a bold italic, I guess. I don't know. I think size will be. So that's it. This is already my land use and land cover map of Maramag Bukidnon. So in order to save it, you can go to layout and then you can export this as image, export as SVG, and then export as PDF. So I think that ends my part and thank you everyone for listening.